Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to withdraw your Toncoin from Tonkeeper app to the bank account, guys. First of all, you need to open your app. First of all, you need to swap your Toncoin to USDT. Just click swap. There should be Ton on the top, and here we need to select USDT. Enter the amount of Ton you want to swap, click continue, and swap your Toncoins to USDT, guys. So once you will do it, you will have your USDT balance right here. Now we need to send our USDT to Binance account, guys, because from Binance we can very easily send our money to our bank account, guys. So first of all, we need to open the Binance app. Let's go to the wallet on the bottom right menu, then click deposit. Just search USDT in the search bar. Select USDT. Then we need to select the network. This is very important. We need to choose Toncoin network. And let's copy this wallet address. Let's go back to Tonkeeper. Click USDT. Then click send. Paste the wallet address in the first gap and go back to Binance to copy the memo, guys. This is also very important. You need to enter the memo inside the required comment section, guys. So let's enter the memo. Then you need to click continue, enter the amount of USDT you are going to send, then click continue button, guys, and you will send your USDT to your Binance account. This will take maximum 5 minutes, guys. In maximum 5 minutes, you can check your balance on Binance, guys. So once you will have USDT on your Binance account, then you need to go to trade, go to P2P trading. First of all, you need to go to the sell section right here. You need to select the currency you want. For example, USD. You can also choose your country from here. For example, I live in Georgia. And you need to choose payment options. There will be different payment options, guys, for different countries. Most likely there will be your local banks. For example, this bank is my local bank, TBC Bank, and also there is another local bank, Bank of Georgia, which I'm using. So I will choose my local bank from this list. And as you can see, there are few exchangers who are exchanging USDT to USD. So I will find some good exchangers. So for example, this guy has got almost 1000 transactions and the reviews are mostly positive. So let's click sell USDT. There are some rules in different languages. So most likely the instruction will be in English. Also, you can see the average pay times is 26 minutes. So let's enter the amount of USDT I want to transfer to my bank account, for example, 1000 USDT. And if I send 1000 USDT, I will receive around 900 USD on my bank account, guys. I need to click this arrow right here and I need to add my bank account, guys. So choose your local bank, then click this plus. And enter your bank account information right here, click confirm, and you will add your bank right here, guys. Then click sell USDT and done, guys. You will send your USDT to this exchanger and he will send USD on your bank account, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.